down the coast 10 times in 5 days. Just trying to make it happen for us. By the time my eyes close, I get another call to go. I guess sleep isn't that important, but I wouldn't have it any other way. Cause I finally got a shot after the lonely nights I pray. So I'ma take it, baby, I'll be back, I'll be back. So I'ma take it, baby, I'll be back, I'll be back. Ay, I finally got him, just right where I want him. I quit popping pills and I quit smoking marijuana. Still sipping on occasion, but it's just for celebration. I cannot lose focus cause I'm at the point of breaking out. The situation that I'm in, I've been hella